If our medical nutrition therapy program is not properly adhered to or successfully completed, there can be health risks. Going completely off-plan or even briefly off-plan by indulging in off-plan foods can have consequences. For example, it can overload your digestive system, causing stomach upset. It can force you to go through the detox process one more time. It can dramatically set back your fat loss progress, but most importantly, it can raise blood sugar levels dangerously and the possibility of a glycemic event. If you must go off-plan for medical reasons, please consult your success coach. There is a proper method to do so.